Number of folks have asked, should I do the updates that show up in my notifications? So those notifications that show up over here, should I do those updates? Well, the answer is yes. Do I have to do them every day? No. But an occasional check. So here's what it looks like. One, you get a notification that says something about updates. Two, you can either click on that notification or manually check by going to the Start menu, this flag-like icon, the Start menu. And if you just type, there's not a box to type in, but you just start typing update. You are actually checking through the Windows operating system, Windows 10, to see if there's any updates for Windows from Microsoft and the Windows team. If you see something to install now, uh, that's what it's asking you to do, to actually update and install. Once you've done that, you can also view if there's any updates. All right. So, yes, occasionally check and install those updates. Do you have to do it daily? No. Can you do it at the end of the day? Yes.